What's up, guys? So today we're looking at some properties out here in Cape Coral, and we're gonna start with this one here. Look at that. That's actually a very nice view, but unfortunately this property is on an angle, so that's diagonally behind us, so we really don't get much of that water there, but at least we can have a nice view. So I'm gonna take you guys inside this house so we can have a view of what a property out here actually would look like. If you guys are interested in investing out here, what a property opportunity would look like for you to get your hands in some Florida real estate. Let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so I'm going through the back. A little bit unconventional, but figured I'd start back here because of that really nice view. But I'll walk you guys through this house. So here, what I'm walking into right now is actually an enclosed porch. And what I would do is probably open this back up because on the outside, you will see that you have stucco, which is great. You know, stucco, really strong. This, fake stucco. That's just wood, and it's not gonna last very long. So I'd open this up, make it very nice, maybe lanai or screened-in porch or something. But I would put, you know, some sort of paver patio out here or some concrete, stamped concrete, something nice. Because as you can see, this room has masonry. So this used to be the outdoors and they made it enclosed, which is not necessary because this home is big enough. As you can see, this wasn't part of the original house because we have the AC right there and these windows. Obviously they're giving you a nice view, but it'd be even a nicer view if we had no walls. All right, so let me walk you through this place. This is the kitchen, which obviously all of it has to go. Everything in this house has to go because it smells like a dog has literally peed in this house every single day for the last 10 years. It smells horrible in here. So all of this has to go, as you can see. Everything here has to go. I would open up this kitchen, make it more flow, better flow for people to entertain, you know, take these walls out of here. And this room right here, I think there's like a little breakfast nook. So obviously this shouldn't be separated from here. It should all be one area. Open that up real nice. This is that little formal living room area when you first walk into a house. This is that, so this could be dressed up. I don't like the little step, so we would have to level this floor out. Hopefully the windows there don't get in the way of us bringing up the molding. We'll get it creative. Obviously we gotta fix these windows and get rid of them and get some new ones. Have a double door entrance there, get some new doors going. So as we walk in, as you can see, you're more lured to go over here to the right. But what I would do is open this up. That way you have an open flow, a really, really nice feeling when you first walk in here. You can see the kitchen, you can see the living room, and here to the left you have the family room, which is nice because it's bolted. Not too bad. All this tile floor has to go, it has to be chipped away. Not an easy job to do, but there's people out there who have the right equipment to do this stuff pretty easily. So as you can see here, we have, I don't know why, we have the laundry room. What a big window, oversized window. Really don't need to be that big. Put a door there, that's how big that window is. You know you're doing it wrong when you have a coin-operated machine in your house, unless you're renting this and that cheap that you want to make $2 a month on your washing machine. It's crazy. Here's another bathroom with the tray ceilings in the bathroom. It's fancy. Obviously this has to get knocked out. Not a good look. Everything has to go, new windows. That's the world's smallest TV rack I've ever seen. Wow, huge closet doors, look at that. So I've already walked through this house, and my estimations are telling me that we're gonna need about $100,000 to bring this thing back to its glory days. Because the way it sits right now, you wouldn't want to spend too much time here. So let's go take a look around here. Oh yeah, this is where we started. Let's go out front so you guys can see what the front of the house looks like. Oh, this is the garage. I didn't even go in here before. I got a little bit of a hurt hand, so let's see if we can get this thing. Can't do it, sorry. Tried. Oh, what the hell is that noise? It doesn't sound too good. No, but this looks disgusting. Whatever it is, rat poop or some kind of animal poop. Yeah, this place is hurt. They definitely need to get some love in here. Yeah, I think we're gonna lower our offer because we made an offer on this house, but I think we're gonna have to lower it because the owner said, you gotta come and look at the house before I accept your offer. So now that I'm here, I'm kind of glad I did. Because usually what I do is I make an offer, and if they accept, then I go look at the property because it really is hard to get an offer accepted nowadays. You really have to make mass offers, and for you to drive around and look at all those houses before you make the offer, it's kind of like you're losing time because sometimes you get the offers accepted on the first day that's on the market. So this is the house. Not too bad, really nice look. right? It's on a little bit of a busier street, not very, very busy. As you can see, this is a nice neighborhood. It's on the corner. Excuse me. Sorry, I try to edit that out. This tree has to be cut because it's hanging over the electrical line, so it won't be good. Has a nice little Spanish style to it. So if you guys are interested in doing projects like this, you know, reach out to me, or if you guys want to get down with me and partner with me, I've got options for that as well. Right now we are always looking for good partners to bring in fresh capital, because there's a lot of opportunities on the horizon, as you guys can see. All right, so let me lock this place up and we'll shoot out to the next one. All right, so we are here at the second house of the day. This one I actually have under contract. So I want to show you guys the amazing deal we scored on this one. This one is, this was gift. Check this out. All right, so this is the breezeway on the way into the house. The house is actually still occupied by the owner. The roof is gonna have to be completely replaced, but I'll get to that in just a sec. Neighborhood is really nice. Beautiful part of Cape Coral. As you walk in, you see you have these wood tile floors. They're actually really nice, but unfortunately, which really sucks, is that it's not like that throughout the whole house. So I'm most likely gonna just put a PVC flooring planks over this. It's gonna look really nice. And we walk in to the right, we see a nice big living room that goes right into the little dining area. And look at this kitchen. Kitchen's actually in great shape. Amazing shape. New appliances. Cabinets are really nice. They're soft close. So we may not have to do too much work in the kitchen. Coming over here to the left, nice bedroom, nice closet. This bathroom's actually not in bad shape either. This is a score. We had a home run with this one, to be honest with you. This one was a really good one. Another bedroom here that's currently being used as an office. Big closets. Now, I'm gonna go through this one pretty quickly because I don't know if there's cameras in this house. And I hate talking when other people can hear you. All right, so as we walk to the right over here, we have the laundry room. This laundry room is pretty cool because they have brand new washer and dryer. And they have a really nice cabinets in here. We just have to swap out the sink. Hot water here looks pretty good, but we got some corrosion here. We'll take care of that. No biggie, no biggie. Let me see if I can get this door open. Switch hands. Okay. 2-car garage, although it looks like a 1-car garage right now because they have a lot of the things that they put away so they can show the house better. This is really good house, guys. Scored. All right, let's keep going. Over to this side, we have another family room with a lot of storage. This could be like a playroom or flex room, whatever you need this for. Good space, that's all I can say. Really good space here. And we walk over on this side, we have another bathroom. This bathroom is very funky, very unique. They did their own homemade DIY vanity. And that's pretty cool. I didn't even see that before. They have a stainless glass little ceiling right there. And then we have this odd shaped bathroom here. I think I would put a door here just to make it a little more private. Then we have a stall shower. This I will probably replace. All right, let's walk over this way. And here, down this hallway, we have a beautiful master. That's a really nice master bedroom. Look at this. Then over on this side, we have full bath with double vanity. Very vanilla. Might have to dress this up a bit. Over on this side, we have the walk-in closet. Look at that. All right. Let's walk on over outside. I'll show you guys the yard, and then we'll get out of here. I don't like talking too loud in these houses, because like I said, you just never know when someone's listening or watching you. All right. I'm telling you guys, this is probably one of the best deals I've seen in a long, long time. I just got lucky with this one. If you guys want to get lucky too, you got to be in it to win it. As corny as that may sound, but that's really the rules, because I've made literally probably over 50 to 100 offers just to get one accepted. Look at this beautiful lanai. It needs a little bit of love and attention right there, but that's nothing. That's nothing. There's a lot of guys that fix lanais out here. We've got this nice tree out here in the back that provides shade. Probably have to cut some of the branches back. Keep getting cold. me show you the house. This house is amazing. We'll do some landscape back here, obviously. We take care of all of this, make it look beautiful here like an oasis. We got to do something with this roof. So this roof's probably going to cost us about $15,000 to $16,000 to redo. So that's the majority of our budget. It's going to go right there. Obviously, we'll probably do the landscape also and paint the house. Throw in a new HVAC system because it's kind of small. I think we need a little bit more for the house. All right, so let me show you a little bit more work that we have to do. And I'll bring you guys around the front. We have to fix the fence, the white PVC fence, because it's been kind of blown over in a lot of spots. So we have to fix that. And some of them are even coming right off. So easy fix as well. This is crying for a pool. What do you guys think? I think a pool probably costs us maybe about $50K to put in if we do it right. I don't know if that's going to be worth it here, even though it is a good price. Maybe we'll have to think about that. Nice little bar out here if you guys want to pass drinks from one side to the other. All right, so as promised, this is the neighborhood. House next door is gorgeous. Look at the houses in this area. Very, very nice. This is definitely like a $400,000 to $600,000 neighborhood. Picking this thing up for $285,000. Once we paint this thing and put the bells and whistles on, whew, man, this place is gonna look nice. So with this one, we're probably gonna partner up with a cash investor who's probably gonna get a really good return on this. We're gonna do a 12% return for our investor. Get this thing flipped in like 3 months tops. Very little work to do here. All right, so that's it. These are the two properties we're looking at today. This one we have under contract. The other one we're gonna renegotiate. This one we're picking up for $285, and the resale on this thing is gonna be like $450 when we're done. Now the first one we looked at today, that one's gonna be worth about $450 as well. That one we made an offer of, I believe it was $280, but I think I'm gonna have to knock that price down to maybe $250. So keep your fingers crossed on that one. I'll let you guys know if we do get that one. If we do, then we'll bring you through the entire rental process. And stick around because I just finished one, and I'm gonna prepare a video for that one that we just finished here in Cape Coral. That one came out beautiful, so it's just about ready to show. So stick around for that one, guys. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you next time.